After rolling this, another method I just noticed is you can do like this. Not too close, you will start seeing it. Can you see that it's bending? Can you see? It's not too close because you have to be careful in order not to burn. So I'm spreading it. The heat is what is giving us that. Oh, you have to be careful. Yeah, to be careful, and it's also very hot. Yes, see, and that's another nice method in getting, which you will see. Can you see how beautiful it gives me? It's is in other different ways of doing it. It's just the heat that matters. As you are heating, you are spreading it out. So that's another nice way of doing what I'm doing. All right.